Hi everyone. Today we are celebrating Easter weekend and we are at the beautiful Lincoln Beach here in New Orleans East. We can't wait to show you one of New Orleans' hidden treasures. We're going to tell you a little more about it and a little bit look at this beauty. We are so excited. This beach is coming back. You may see so many people enjoying Lincoln Beach here today, but it is not open to the public just yet.
First of all, I want to give a shout out to the 3 people who came together to make this happen. You know who you are and we love you and we thank you so much for making this dream come true. A dream that you guys had from day one, and now it's a dream we absorbed as well and made it one of our dreams for this city.
Also, it's been an honor to watch this because Aaron and I had the privilege to be at the committees that they had to see the beginning when they were introducing the plans to Lincoln Beach before it got approved. So guys, let's go enjoy Easter weekend with you and bring you along to this beautiful Lincoln Beach. And we're so excited to see this all come alive very soon.
Here's a little bit more information about the history of Lincoln Beach. Lincoln Beach functioned as an amusement park from 1939 to 1965. This park was for the area's African American population during the Jim Crow era of racial segregation. The reason Lincoln Beach closed in 1965 is that Pontchartrain Beach, which was the whites-only amusement park in New Orleans, became desegregated in 1964. Then the city of New Orleans stopped supporting Lincoln Beach, so in turn it closed in 1965. As we touched upon in the intro, this park is being redeveloped now, and let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. We would like to shout out Reggie, Sage, Bliss, and others who have come together to make this project happen. What's amazing about this story is that Pontchartrain Beach, the land where it stood, is no longer there. Meanwhile, this place, this beautiful place known as Lincoln Beach, is still around to this day and will have a renaissance that everyone, all people, no matter the race, the creed, or color, can enjoy for now into eternity. Thank you to everyone who put this together, and keep enjoying the sights and sounds from the beautiful Lincoln Beach.
Welcome to the beautiful Lincoln Beach here in New Orleans East. It is absolutely beautiful.
How y'all doing? My name is Tobias. I'm one of the owners of the Lincoln Beach Center. I apologize, I took a swig. I'm drinking some of Baby James, Wall Punch Man's famous juice. But we just try to put stuff together so that way the community, New Orleans East community, has a reason to come out and enjoy the great weather and fellowship and network with one another. Today we have Baby James with Wall Punch Man is one of the vendors. We have this young lady who's a member of the community. She has art. And we also have a young lady selling sweet treats and cakes. So, you know, we just trying to do what we can in the community and give everybody an opportunity to, you know, enhance their business as well as promote it.
That's awesome. So how often do you do these boils?
So we normally do it at the beginning of crawfish season, but we had a setback this year because there was the crawfish shortage in Louisiana. So this is our first one for the year, but we try to do it at least twice a month.
That's awesome. So for those that are interested in coming down, where can they find you on social media?
Thank you for that question. They can find me on Instagram at OMW_DATOP_, which is simply on my way to the top. So once again, it's OMW_DATOP_.
Well, we're definitely going to come back for your next crawfish boil. We're excited. You guys have worked so hard to get this going.
Yeah.
I mean, literally, Reggie started cleaning up the beach.
Shout out to Reggie. Shout out to Reggie.
Yes.
Shout out to Sage. Shout out to Bliss. Shout out to everybody.
Yes.
Listen, and you know, I don't want to just limit it to those three. Shout out to everyone who has contributed in some way, form, or fashion. You know, those three are like, you know, they are the big three for the Lincoln Beach. So shout out to them.
Yeah, sorry we couldn't see you guys today. I know you're not here now, but we missed you and we will see you again. And thank you for all that you've done to bring this back. And they also just got approved for the big bridge.
Yeah.
This is going to be a beautiful,
I'm
beautiful
excited.
thing. We're excited.
Yeah.
Well, it's so nice to meet
Thank
you.
you.
We will see you again.
Y'all
Have
take
a
care.
great boil.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Have a great Easter. And guys, we're going to say goodnight from Lincoln Beach. Hope you guys have a great Easter. And my husband's going to say,
Let the good times roll, baby.
yeah, let the good times